Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to convert video to GIF on iPhone. It's very simple. Let's start. Open Shortcuts. Tap the app icon that looks like two overlapping. This app converts your video into a plain GIF. Tap Gallery. It's in the bottom right corner of your screen. Search GIF. To do this, tap the search bar. Tap the Make GIF shortcut. Tap on Add Shortcut. This is a blue button that you'll see on the Make GIF page. Tap on My Shortcuts. Tap on the Make GIF tile. Your gallery will open. Tap the video that you want to make into a GIF. Trim your video. Drag and drop the timeline to crop the video as you want it to play in the GIF. Tap on Save. Once you're done trimming, you can save the video as a GIF by tapping on Save. Tap Done. It's at the bottom of your GIF preview. Okay, I hope you understand, so if you like this video please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button. Thanks for watching.